Hello, everyone, to another data talk around Data Innovation Summit, this time with Björn Nylander, who is a Chief Operating Officer at Rebtech. Rebtech is one of the companies exhibiting at Data Innovation Summit for this year, and we are honored to have them as part of this event. Bjorn, welcome, and please, can you tell us more about you, your professional background and current working focus at the company?
Yeah, thank you, Natasha. My name is Björn Nylander, and I am CEO and co-founder of Rebtech. I have worked in the IT business pretty much my whole life, and the last 26 years in the area of data analytics. I started my career in analytics at Cognos in 1996 as a sales rep for their famous BI tools, PowerPlay and Impromptu. The last 20 years, however, I have worked with marketing and sales of analytical solutions and applications for financial planning. At Rebtech, I'm responsible for marketing and sales, as well as business development and general management.
Thank you for that introduction. Can we know more about the Rebtech? Rebtech is a business intelligence consulting company with collaborators in nearshore countries in Europe. But can we know more about the services on the market and especially their unique value?
Yes, well, we are a Swedish consulting company collaborating with partners in Europe to provide clients with what we see the best options to establish high performance development teams for cost-effective data analytics projects. So thanks to our vast partner network in Europe, in what we call nearshore countries, we now have access to significantly more resources for projects than what is available in Sweden. So what we deliver is availability, scalability, and cost efficiency for our customers.
That was good to know. Can we know what challenges organizations face regarding resources for analytics projects, and what are you doing to help them to overcome those challenges?
Yeah, today there is an imbalance between supply and demand for experienced consultants for data analytics projects in Sweden. This situation has also driven up the cost for both employees and external consultants. So this creates a problem for the companies in their digitalization journey to become more data-driven. So we help customers to scale up and manage their development teams with nearshore resources from our partner networks. So we can scale up development teams faster than anyone else on the Swedish market today. Since we also have our own team in Sweden with experienced architects and project leaders in analytics, we are very well equipped to take care of the entire process of recruiting nearshore resources, make sure we always have the right skills for the tasks.
That was very helpful to know. And how common is among companies to involve resources from other countries in the development of solutions for analytics? And what's significant for a typical customer, for example?
We see in software development, it is quite common to use outsourcing, either offshoring with resources from Asia or nearshoring with resources from Europe. But it's much less frequent in development of analytical solutions. This is because to a much greater extent, you work closer to the end customer in the analytics developments, and thus a greater need to be in the same time zone. A typical customer is a larger company where the IT language is in English and where remote development is accepted.
That was insightful. Thank you for sharing that. And Rebtech sees professional analytics solutions as a way for organizations to become, as you said, more data-driven. Can you tell us more about the importance of this goal you have and these solutions that you offer?
Actually, I think companies have always had a desire to be more data-driven to make good decisions in their operations. This is nothing new, but is more important now than ever before. Why so? Everything goes much faster these days. Today, a startup company can grow rapidly in a very short time, just as an established company can quickly disappear from the market in a very short time. So it's important to understand much faster what is happening both within the company and in the company's surroundings to be able to quickly adapt your operations when changes occur. This fact places completely new demands on analytical solutions.
Thank you for that another insightful answer. And do you have maybe any final advice or recommendations for organizations that haven't started their, let's say, data-driven journey? Where should they start and what should they pay attention to?
I think most companies today, they have some kind of a data analytical solution. My advice is to first assess how well this solution meets the requirements they have today and not focus first on hype technology. Then make an assessment as to whether the solution should be renovated or completely rebuilt. So my advice is to get help from a partner you trust. Think big, but build in small steps. There's always also an economic reality to consider.
Thank you once again for finding the time to do this interview, and see you at the Data Innovation Summit in May.
Yeah, thank you very much.